Welcome to the show, and welcome to Glow So Bright. So, I'm going to go try and do the Wendy's 4for4 drill created by Vintage Warfare to have and challenge my own tactical proficiency. So, what is a 4for4 drill? The 4for4 drill requires the contents of Wendy's 4for4 deal, and that involves a cheeseburger, small fry, a 4-piece spicy nugget, as well as a medium Sprite. All of these must be eaten in quick succession. From there, with a battle rifle and a target 40 yards away, to go engage it after eating everything. It all must be done under 40 seconds or less. Unfortunately, I don't have a battle rifle nor a target 40 yards away, but I'll make do with what I have, with a little bit of a twist. I don't have a Wendy's in my immediate vicinity, but I do have something else. Over there, a Japanese McDonald's. So I'll go throw something together, get some equivalents, and try out the challenge. Let's do it. So let's go do the Vintage Warfare's Wendy's 4for4 drill. Unfortunately, I don't have a Wendy's first chicken over here. Yeah, they exist in Japan. They're called Fakin, but we don't have that. But instead, we do have McDonald's nearby, and I got myself a some small fries, a double cheeseburger, 5 chicken nuggets. I'll replace it with 4 nuggets. I don't have the spicy ones, but it is what it is. To wash it all down, I got myself a medium Sprite. So, let's go and get our stuff together. And unfortunately, I do not have a target that is 40 yards away, nor do I have a battle rifle available for me, but let's make do with what we have right now. So, there's nothing against the rules about like eating the food in any sort of direction whatsoever. So I'm thinking maybe I can just put some of the fries and the cheeseburger as preparation for at once. Rotate a little bit, nibble the fry. And I'll go and take the 4 nuggets and just place them in my sandwich. I'll place 2 in my sandwich and place the other 2 to the side. My drink is staged, and let's go. Put our bun on top of the sandwich, and we have this wonderful culinary contraption over here. Let's get started and do our Wendy's 4for4 drill. Shooter ready. Stand by. Beep. Not good. And done. That was not good. I mean, probably was a good score, but I don't really feel too good. Okay, let's go look back at the footage. Oh no, this is not good. I completed the challenge in this time over here. Unfortunately, I'll have to take a penalty because I didn't take any shots. But oh God, I don't feel good. But if you do enjoy this video on Vintage Warfare's Wendy's 444 drill, but with Japanese McDonald's brought to you by Glow So Bright, go ahead, go give this video a like. If you don't, give it a dislike. Comment down below on what you think. Read the video description for more information and my Amazon affiliate links if you want to financially support the channel for me participating in this sort of stuff. Support me via Ko-fi and Subscribestar. Links in the video description down below. Oh God. Yeah, but the best way to show support for the channel is to subscribe and share. And thank you very much for watching. I'll try and redo this challenge again once I have the proper hardware, but for now, this can do for now. Oh God, I feel horrible.